Hello family. Today me and my daughter are going to be showing you how to make softball cake pops. We're making them for her softball team, and I have made my cake last night. Here it is, cooled completely. A little mouse was in it. So we just tear it up, put it in this bowl. Is my bowl big enough? Oh, goodness. And then we add our frosting, which I'm using whipped cream cheese. See, I've mashed it all together. Now I have to put it in the refrigerator and let it cool before I can make the round cake balls. Okay, we're back. My daughter helped me dip the sticks and get them in here with the chocolate that we had made yesterday, but that chocolate didn't work to dip them. So she is now at school, and so I'm going to do them by myself. This chocolate's a little bit thick, so I'm going to just kind of drizzle it on here so the cake pop won't fall out. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna tap it to get the excess off and spin it to try to make it as even as we can. Oh, there's a little hole right there. Alright, so let's tap, 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 tap. Look at my cute cake pops. Turning out cute. I have one last one that I was going to show you how I did it. Oh, it's kind of leaking a little. So I hold it upside down. I get my red and I make an upside down U. Just like this. And I turn it to the other way and do the same thing. Lift it up, right side up, connect them. And then you do upside down V's all around to make the stitching.